welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss some ways to make extra money from home. With the pandemic forcing many of us to work remotely, it's a great opportunity to explore some ways to earn extra income without leaving your home. Method 1. Online surveys. One of the simplest ways to earn money from home is through online surveys. You can register with survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindel Research to participate in surveys and earn cash or gift cards. The surveys usually take a few minutes to complete and can pay anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars. Method 2. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill or expertise, freelancing can be a great way to earn extra money from home. You can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Some popular freelance services include writing, graphic designing, web development, and social media management. Method 3. Selling products online. Another way to make extra money from home is by selling products online. You can start by decluttering your home and selling unwanted items on platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. If you're interested in creating and selling your own products, you can use platforms like Etsy or Shopify to set up an online store. Method 4. Teaching online. If you have teaching experience or expertise in a particular subject, you can earn money by teaching online. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell your own online courses. You can also offer your services as an online tutor on platforms like Chegg and TutorMe. Method 5. Investing. Finally, investing can be a great way to earn passive income from home. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate investment trusts, REITs. You can start with small amounts and gradually increase your investment portfolio. So there. You have it. These are just a few ways to make extra money from home. Whether you choose to take online surveys, freelance, sell products online, teach online, or invest, there are many opportunities to earn extra income without leaving your home. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.